Good day everyone. Here in this video, I will show you a Python program for notebook checker using stack data structure. But first, what is stack? A stack is a collection of objects that supports fast last in, first out, or LIFO semantics for inserts and deletes. Using the R implementation of stacks, let's create a console program that does the following. Display the following menu. First is add notebook, check notebook, pick at notebook, check all, exit. And here is the source code of the program. Here we had a module tkinter to export widgets classes and also to display message box. We had a class named stack. Within the class are the methods based on the menu. When the user chooses add notebook, the user will be prompted to enter the name of the notebook's owner. When the user chooses check notebook, a message names notebook is being checked. The notebook is then popped from the stack. Here, in this function or method, here is choosing pick notebook would display the name of the person who owns the notebook at the top of the stack. In method check, it will check all notebooks and make the stack null. And when the user chooses the exit, it will terminate the program. I also have class up here and other classes for GUI. The graphical user interface or GUI is a form of user interface that allows users to interact with the device through graphical icons. GUI will use to display the program in convenient way. I will run the code. Here we have 5 buttons which are the menu. Then it will output like this.
Use. We imported tkinter module per GUR or graphic user interface. It will export widgets classes. We also imported tkinter message box for dialog box. Dialog box will pop up in the program for additional information and confirmation. In class Q, it includes functions such as the queue, enqueue, and display. We can assign any function name depending on his or her choice function name. In queue, add an item to the queue list. The queue, remove an item from the queue list. Class of the whole GUI serve as the main frame that display the menu. In class menu, the bottom that serve as the guide to user for the menu are placed in a class name menu. In class, sign up, the button that can store the information or data. In class, enter room, the button assigning the number. We use the import random. In class, begin consultation, the button may use the user to start the consultation. In class, closing time, the button may use the user if the consultation is already done. The root geometry frame can use to change the frame.